BASF is a global chemical company. We have sites all over the world. And here in Antwerp it's a very large scale Verbund site, but different business units, different plants. Several years ago we designed a Tetra walkie-talkie network here. So we were looking for coverage and we set antenna sites wherever it was necessary. Also backup and redundancy was crucial in our design. So every other technology that would be an alternative like 5G should comply with the same requirements. We have different use cases on 5G in different places in the world. In China there's another situation than in Europe, and even within Europe you have Germany and Belgium with total different situations. We have different internal customers. We have maintenance teams that have to communicate. We have operations, but also intervention teams like the medical department and the fire brigade. They have to communicate, so we are looking for technology that has a large coverage. So what do they need? Not only a very good network, which 5G surely will be, but also devices. We need not only devices that we can find off the shelf, we need devices in a chemical company. So this means they have to be explosion-proof. Also we need applications that run on those devices. And those applications have to fit our working processes, have to fit with the existence applications and so on. When we want to really implement our one device policy, then we have to lose the one or the other, the Tetra walkie-talkie or the smartphone. Before we even consider going to another technology that could bear this responsibility of mission-critical communications, the standard parameters of reliability and redundancy, backup, coverage have to be in place. So we need an end-to-end solution. It's just like cooking dinner. If you want to make a good lunch or a dinner, then you need your ingredients. At this stage, we're just at the grocery shop looking at the different ingredients. So 5G is certainly a very important ingredient.
Ja, een ziekenwagen komt binnen met persoon bij bewustzijn, is van de ladder gevallen, heeft zich pijn gedaan aan zijn rechterbeen.
At the moment, push-to-talk meets only the basic requirements. I think within 5G there will be much more possibilities in future. Spontaneously, I think of video streaming, biomonitoring, localization of the firemen, sharing quick and easy information on the scene, an extra way to alarm the other people on site, etc.
Well, working with Orange was great. They have the know-how about the radio access network, but also about the real 5G core network. So this is very important if you start exploring 5G network, of course. Next to that, they also brought in some extra devices, which we need before we can implement this use case. So this gave us a head start.